Yo, what's happening, boys? It's Mystic. I'm back with another video after a long time. It's been a while since I uploaded a video. Said I wanted to get out 2 week, and unfortunately I wasn't able to. I was very busy the past couple of days, but the YouTube has been growing. I have 42 subs now, or 43 I think. Nearly 50 subs already, and I uploaded like 3 or 4 videos, so that's really good. It's a good sign. A lot of people are looking into the airdrops and want this type of content, so yeah, I'm gonna try my best to bring it to you boys. And as you can see on the screen today, we are talking about the Pumpfun Airdrop. Now, I don't know if some of you may not know, but I actually am the dev who said airdrop 1 million times, trying to get Pumpfun to speak about the airdrop, and unfortunately they didn't. 14 days of me saying airdrop, they never spoke about it. But I still have hope, and I want to speak on why I still have hope, and I think it's going to come sooner than later in this video. So yeah, this is for one, they changed the banner the other day. As you can see, there's hot air balloons, so airdrop, everybody's in the air, all these big memes, chill house parachuting in, airdrop. There is Pepe the frog, and yeah, in airplanes, aliens, you know what I'm saying? So I think they're hinting at something here. Okay, look, you can even see a Pumpfun Solana. Look, Pumpfun Solana airdrop in the hot air balloon. Come on, boys. If this isn't key, they're like, it's like symbolism, you know what I'm saying? They're trying to tell us without saying anything. Oh, look, you can see in the clouds there as well. But anyways, this is just one thing. But another thing that struck me the most was this. On October 24th, Pumpfun acquired the Padre app, okay, which is like a software like Axiom. It was one of my first videos on this channel talking about Padre. You can go to that video. It's the first ever video. But yeah, it's just like it's a platform that people use to trade. Pumpfun bought this platform, but what struck me the most is Padre had its own token, and now the token's useless. Pumpfun said that they're not going to do anything with the Padre token, but Pumpfun airdropped the Pump token to all the Padre holders. So it stuck out to me a lot, because it shows me that they have the tech to airdrop. They have everything ready, and this could have been their way of testing. Right, we have everything nearly ready. Let's airdrop the Padre holders and see if everything goes well. And if that all went well, maybe the next step is to do the Pumpfun airdrop to all the early investors and etc. But I want to see where the tweet is. I thought this was the tweet. Okay, yeah, so here's the tweet. A snapshot was taken of all Padre holders at 1:59 UTC on Friday, October 24th. These holders are now able to receive a set number of Pump tokens, which correspond to the value of Padre they held at the time of the snapshot. So Pumpfun done an airdrop for Padre holders. Like I said, I think this is tech that they wanted to try out first with the Padre holders and see if the airdrop went well. If so, they're like, okay, they're ready to do their Pumpfun airdrop. Now, unfortunately, the crypto markets are crashing right now. They're taking a bit of a hit. So, of course, it would have been better to do this airdrop 1 month ago, 2 months ago. But unfortunately, you can't time everything. I think around December we might see this airdrop. Now, if this actually happens, you're gonna have to come back to this. I'm gonna clip this and put it on my Twitter, because I'm calling it now. I think it's gonna be sometime in December, just because it's the month of giving, celebration. I'm thinking, and usually December is a good month for crypto, so they call me Mystic Mac for a reason. Yeah, if I predict this is gonna be amazing. But still, December, I'm thinking, boys, this was just a test to see if the airdrop system that they had in place worked. And yeah, the real OG users of Pumpfun are next, and we will get our airdrop. Whether it's $1,000, $100, I don't know. The price is going down, but at this stage I'll be happy with anything, okay? So yeah, thanks very much for watching today's video. The next video I'm actually going to show you how to check your Pumpfun allocation, because there's a way of checking your wallet and how much volume you've done, etc. So if you want, subscribe for that right now, and you'll see that next video when I upload it, probably later tomorrow. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, boys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, hit that subscribe button, comment down below what you think, when you think the Pumpfun airdrop is going to be. Share this with your friends, of course. And yeah, most importantly, have a good day. Much love to everybody out there. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, peace out.